to another video. Today we have new tools from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So yeah, yesterday we were talking about, yesterday we were talking about this compressor, that it was going to come out, and now it's up. So that's what we got today. If you guys haven't watched my video of all the new tools that are coming out, make sure you guys watch them. I'll see if I can link them up above for you guys. The Hercules and the Bauer. So this is the compressor. It looks really nice. It says Bauer 20 volt Hypermax Lithium for more runtime, brushless motor for longer life. Shoots over 2,000 brad nails. Includes deluxe 9-piece inflator kit. $159. Alright, so we got a 1.6 gallon, 135 PSI 20 volt Hypermax Lithium ion cordless brushless air compressor tool only. So $159. So we got the compressor here. Obviously we got a nice handle there, regulator. We got two gauges here. We got the switch on the top. We got a quick connect here, maybe a release valve here, and another clean out valve here at the bottom. It's really nice access. Looks like we got a rubber or plastic handle. We got a tube casing, maybe protects most of it, but you know the ends are pretty much exposed. Let's look at the other picture here. We got a nice plastic housing on the back. So it is gonna take 2 batteries, from what it looks here. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is. And it does have a clear cap here, maybe for a connector, so you can connect it to something. Oh yeah, so these are all the fittings, all the accessories. So this is a really nice little area here where you can organize all your pretty much your fittings there. So you got 2 batteries, so it is a dual battery operated tool. See, this is something I really like to Harbor Freight move into when it becomes to the bigger tools, is the dual battery, the dual voltage. Here's the accessories that you have. Seems like you got some regular tire accessories, some to inflate the tires, and the inflatables. As we were saying, you got some nice gauges here, easy to read. Pressure and tank outputs. You got 1.1 CFM. Obviously, guys, keep in mind this is a really small compressor. It's not gonna power 2 or 3 different framing nailers. It might power one, but if you guys are like using it in what it says here, it's not gonna do it. I can tell you right off the bat, it's not gonna do it. But you know what? For inflating tires, maybe using one of the guns, it should be fine. Like one of the framing nailers. All right, so let me click out of here. Yeah, this is a 1.6 gallon. Usually for a framing nailer, I would at least go of 6 gallons. So this will be mostly for finishing nailers, brad nails, staples maybe. So it's good for that, and for inflating tires and balloons and stuff like that. And then I got the accessory kit. This is a really nice. I did manage to look at this today because I went to Harbor Freight today. This looks really nice. I was just explaining on the video that Merlins are great. It's a great brand. Definitely recommend it. You got some great value here, and all these pieces are clean, nice, and machined. I really like the colors and everything. Merlin just tries to be up there with quality. So that's one good thing I like about Merlin. And $24.99, like I said, no, Harbor Freight has no crazy prices, but they do carry some quality stuff. You just gotta look into it. You got a 2-in-1 rechargeable camping lantern and bug zapper. So this is something I'm gonna buy because we do got a lot of mosquitoes and a lot of bugs here, and I'm probably gonna buy a couple of these because, like I said, this bug zapper. I'm glad they're putting something out. So let's see if we got more pictures here. We got an on and off button here, maybe an input. Let's see here, maybe to charge it, I guess. That's how you could use it. And you could use, I don't know why they have a flashlight and they have this. It might not be this, it might not be a lot of, it might not be bright. You might not need a flashlight there. And it is washable, so it is waterproof. Wow. And you can charge it via USB. And then you got a mosquito there. That means probably this light here. I'm probably just gonna end up using it for the mosquito light thing. So $19.99 is not a crazy price. I'll definitely give it a try. I'll put it out to my house and let you guys know if it works or if it doesn't work. You got the Icon Professional Precision Soft Grip and Pick Hook Set, 4-piece, $14.99. Icons. You know what? I was at the store today and I was asking a mechanic. He had a whole bunch of tools to return to Harbor Freight, and I asked him, "Hey, what you think about the Icon?" He says that the Icons are better than the Pittsburgh Pros or the Pittsburghs, because he was returning a lot of Pittsburgh sockets. He was actually returning the whole kits, the full kit of sockets, because he was telling me, oh yeah, I use these a lot. I beat these up with impacts. I use these 24/7, or not 24/7, but 8 hours a week, 5 times a week, pretty much 40 hours a week. So he uses his sockets pretty much every day. So that's understandable. Anyways, so we got the new Gordon 3.4-inch pocket knife. It looks really nice. It looks more like a hunting knife or like a tactical knife. So this actually is not bad. It does have a cutter on the back, and it does have a glass cutter. So if you need to break some glass, if you're stuck in your car, or maybe an accident, you can cut that. Then we got the 3-inch LED floodlight with side light. This is pair. So $79.99. This actually look really nice. It does have the side light like it says right here. It is crystal clear on the sides. So and it does have the sink on the back, heat sink on the back. And then you got the spot and the flood. So both of these are different. And these we already went over. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.